Yo, Uptown Swing level 1.
Maddie.
Peter. 6 count Lindy Hop. And we'll go like this. We'll just show you the footwork. I'm a leader.
I'm forward.
Left foot.
Right foot.
Here you go. Rock, step, slow, slow. Rock, step, slow. And we added triple steps. So basically we want you to do this a million times. That's your number one homework, is just do that footwork a lot and try to do it right underneath you, not moving just from side to side a whole bunch. Then we did open position. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. We just make a little reach with our hands, not grabbing with the thumbs. Triple, triple, elbows pointing down, everybody. Then we did closed position. Looks like this. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step. After a while, we tried ascend out. That's a big rock step, and then I send my partner out and dance out here. We'll talk more about that next week. Then we worked on a step we call the tuck turn and change of places. I don't know if we even told you that, but we'll talk about it anyway some more. We'll refine it next week, but here's the basic step. Rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, up, go, rock, step, change, place. We try not to get too far away here, keep on dancing. We can get back together, I'll show you one more time. It goes rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Now the goal is followers. You're trying to do your footwork underneath yourself the whole time. Leaders, you have to think about each move a little more individually. My job's a little more obvious. Your job's a little sneakier, but just as important. Get that practice. See you next week.